Congratulations on purchasing a Tru-Fit display. Here are all the pieces that come with your display. The first thing you're going to do is empty the case. The rolling case has 4 green latches that you must unlock. Once open, unload the contents and roll the case out of the way. Next, you'll want to empty the drawstring nylon bags that hold the frame and stabilizer feet. Remove the bungee ties as needed. And the plastic bag that holds the graphic. Now you're going to assemble the aluminum tubes. You can see how you'll need to depress the push pin in order to attach the tubes. Push one part into the other until the pin locks into place. Do this until all the tubes are assembled. You'll see some tubes have a bungee cord inside that keep the tubes together. It's time to build the frame. Take the U-shaped corner pieces and attach them to the long top tube. You'll see there are numbered stickers to help you know which parts go together. Now, attach one of the side tubes. Then, the thin stabilizer bars that run vertically down the middle of the display. You can now attach the bottom tubes. It's time now to attach the stretch fabric graphic. Find the zipper and unzip the graphic. Starting at the top, slide the pillowcase style graphic over one side of the frame. Move the fabric a little ways down the frame, then start the other side. Pull the fabric down, working both sides of the frame, trying to keep the fabric even. Once at the bottom, attach the zipper and zip closed, all the way to the middle of the display. Now, do the other side. As shown here, you may need to use your hands to bunch the fabric together to make zipping easier. Now you're going to attach the frame to the stabilizer feet. Remove the cotter pins from the stabilizer feet. Place the feet near the base of the frame. Lift the frame up. Starting with one side, put the frame on top of one of the feet and slide into place. Once in place, put the pin back in. Now attach the middle foot and finally the other side. It's time to add the LED lights. Open the LED light case and remove the cover from the lights. Screw the lights into place at the top of the frame. And attach the power cord. We recommend this placement of the lights. The next step is to build the podium. The rolling case converts into the podium. Open the case. Remove all the podium pieces and take them out of their nylon and plastic bags. Stand the rolling case up like so. Locate the podium top, made out of laminated wood, and attach it to the top of the case. You will need to push the latches on the podium top into the case to secure it. The plastic guard goes on next. This goes on to the bottom of the case. There's Velcro on the inside bottom of the case, as well as on the bottom of the plastic guard to hold it into place. Now you will insert the interior shelves made out of laminated wood. These will slide into place like so. And now for the fabric graphics. First, unfold it and slide it over the top of the case. Next, lay the case down on the floor as shown here. Pull the bottom of the fabric over the bottom of the case. Pull it tight so all the wrinkles come out. And there you have it. Your Tru-Fit 3.0 display is built.